Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm a student of Carmia University, currently undergoing fifth semester of my BTech degree in Computer Science and Engineering. This video is recorded for the review of a mini project which was to redesign the website of Department of Computer Sciences Technology in a responsive layout. Currently on the screen is the home page of the website, mainly divided in three parts: head, index, and the foot. NetBeans ID is used to create the PHP files, namely head, index, and foot.php, and styles.css was written and included to add styles to the webpage. Bootstrap framework is used to create the website in a responsive layout, and when the resolution of the screen is changed, currently the resolution is 320 by 480, and no horizontal scroll bar is seen. That means all the elements in the web page have adjusted themselves according to the screen size, and it is totally fit to be used on any device like a mobile phone or a tablet. The menu gets collapsed and can be accessed by clicking on these buttons. Even if I change the resolution, the elements adjust themselves automatically and we don't have to make any change. Even on a tablet screen, it works fine. If we consider the web page to be divided in different blocks, considering this gray block over here, this block is actually a container fluid. Container fluid is a predefined class in Bootstrap and covers the entire width of the web page. Inside the container fluid, we have a container which is also a row, which is further divided in three columns. Each column has a well inside, and the well contains the details like about the department, mission statement, and objectives. Coming to the next block, this is also a container and a row but divided only in two columns and has panel inside them with panel heading and panel body. These panels contain marquee for the forthcoming events and recent news. These are the postgraduate programs offered by our department. All these are clickable buttons. When clicked on, opens up a model which contains a small description about the program offered for MTech Information Technology and the list of specializations. This is the testimonies of few students who passed out from the department last year, that is 2015-16, and these all are collapsible. That is, when you click on any of these persons' photos and names, the testimonies expand like happened with Mr. Omraj Dubey. And when done, if you click back on the same photo, testimony gets collapsed. Coming down, quick links, these may be the link to the same website but to a different page, or may lead you to any other page of the main university website. These are the internship details. The students have gone to different companies in India and abroad for their internships. Details for Indian internships are from 2006-7 to 2013-14. When clicked on, opens up a model which contains a table which has the details of the students like name, register number, and the organization which they went to. For internships, were made possible through ISTA India and have the details from year 2008-9 to 2014-15. Works in a similar manner. When clicked on, opens up a model, and our students have gone to countries like Poland, Budapest, and Denmark. Then comes Center of Excellence. Center of Excellence in total have five labs here, namely Cisco Center of Excellence, Nokia Solution Network, Novel Center of Excellence for Cloud Computing, IBM Big Data Software Center, and Computing Security Research Lab. All these links are inner links, and when clicked on takes you to the details of that Center of Excellence. Like I just came to IBM Big Data Software Center of Excellence. It has details of the Center of Excellence lab, the infrastructure there, the hardware that we have, and the facilities provided to the students. In terms of project, this is funded research project at your university. Clicking on this button gives you the entire description and details of the project. These are the list of projects completed by the students of our university. When clicked on, it gets a downloadable file. Coming to the academics page is divided in different columns in this container fluid type. There are different container fluids, and each container fluid has a well inside. Considering this one, the BTech programs, these two are downloadable links, and this is an inner link. When clicked on, takes you to the table which has the list of subjects offered in the specific core subject which we take as our BTech degree program, and the other one, this one gives you the details and lists the subjects that are provided in the soft core specialization for MTech degree. In total, six research groups are there in the department and are listed over here. When clicked on, opens up a model, and these buttons are actually collapses. When you click on, the list of projects completed in that specific year opens up. When click back, it collapses. These are two funded research projects and publications in journals. The button works in a similar manner. When clicked on, opens up a model with table of details. This table contains a list of research scholars, and this table has a list of people who have been awarded PhD from the department. This is the faculty profile page and lists all the faculties of our department. All these are active links and takes you to the complete detail of the faculty. Here comes the photo, the contact detail, biography, teaching areas, research interest, and publications in journals for each faculty. This page contains the list of all the trainings given to the faculty members or given by the faculty members in the listed years. These all are inner links and takes you to the table containing the list of programs conducted in that year. This is the web page for software product development cell and lists all the software products developed by the students with the help of faculty members in our university. These two products, Aadhaar card reader and Friend Track, are successfully hosted on Google Play Store, and download links are available here. This is a list of the 4 team members for the student product development cell. This page gives you details of the academic clubs and the office bearers. When clicked on, opens up model with table of details, the designation of the office bearers with their names, name of club coordinators and the club they belong to. This page has details of all the rank holders from different programs offered like BTech CST, MTech CST, MTech SE and MTech CCE. This page lists the details of all the placement activities which took place and the placement records from year 2003-4 to 2015-16. All these are clickable active buttons. When clicked on, gives you the complete detail of the people who were placed in a specific company for BTech and MTech course both, and at the end of the tables for BTech course, it gives you the complete number of students placed. Here 129 BTech students are placed and 15 MTech students are placed in the year 2014-15. This block lists the details of the career guidance cell, and this block has the details of the campus placement activities which took place in 2015 and 16 and has helped students to get good placement offers. Certification courses are provided by our department by the companies Oracle, Red Hat, Novell, and Cisco. These all are inner links and leads you to the specific certification course description, which has the description of the course, facilities provided, the details of the entire course, and here we have list trained students for the past few years, and this is the list of students who have registered for this certification course in the last year. Finally, you can find us on Facebook and Twitter through the links given here. Concluding, I would like to thank my guide, Mrs. Akila Agnes and Mrs. Anita, my mentor, Mr. Matthew Korean, UG Program Coordinator, Mr. Emmanuel John Raja, and our Head of Department, Dr. Elijah Blessing, for helping me out throughout the completion of this project. Thank you.